Previously on Onboard Lifestyle, we leave Santa Barbara and sail the 23.5 miles east by south to Ventura. We take this opportunity to finish up another project by installing our new Raymarine Q24C quantum radar.
You want me to pull or push?
He's pulling!
I was unable to pull this out.
What exactly is Plan B? It's like Christmas.
I'm gonna bundle 4 of these together to get the proper gauge. That was not too bad. Adapter plates in. You ready down there? That's our new quantum baby right there.
My dad has to get a bit creative, but with a little family teamwork, we get the job done.
We are heading out tomorrow, and before we do that, Teal is gonna go down and assess our bottom and just kind of check out our prop to make sure everything is good. He felt a little vibration on our port engine, so hopefully it's nothing big.
I'm hoping it's not that reversing screw again, but it didn't
feel
shake
like
as
it,
bad,
yeah.
So I have a feeling something's just fouled in there. So I'll go down, kind of just clean.
Okay, what's the temperature?
It's you know what, the water's
Not
getting warmer and warmer, but I'm on like my little shorties here, so
not it.
I don't,
Okay.
yeah.
I did it the last time, it was cold.
It's my turn.
And you guys laughed your ass off about it.
Graceful.
So now it's Teal's turn.
It's not that bad. I'll bet you it's 62, 64, stuff like that.
Yikes, it's cold. All right, go ahead.
Don't push me. Oh no, call the diver. I'm just kidding.
Now remember, I think the water was in the 50s when I went in.
Whatever, 50s. It was probably,
Upper 50s.
I think it was like 90.
Oh, you lie.
Let's go check it out. I can see it already. It's a bunch of, looks like seaweed fouled the prop. Okay.
Some kelp?
Yeah, looks like it. Hopefully, I don't see any line in it. I'll go down and check it out. Fishing line in there. Grab that. I don't want to put that back in the water.
Oh, shoot.
There's a lot more.
Yeah, this doesn't seem like a lot.
It's the fishing line, I think. We wrapped up some fishing line and it grabbed the kelp.
That's not good. A lot?
That's what tied it up. There's a lot of that in there. It's getting better though. It's almost done.
There you are.
The rudder looks good.
That's good.
Check out this side. Camera looks good now. Look at that. It was everywhere. Just
There's more
wrapped
on
around.
top here too. They pulled it up.
That's why I thought the seaweed would kick off when I put it in reverse, but it was just tangled in that fishing line. Okay, guarantee shaking's done.
There's fish swimming all around you right
I
now.
know, I saw them. Big ones too.
Really?
Yeah.
They're attracted to you.
Okay, make sure there's no more. Oh, it's fishing line all through this thing. Where'd you put it? Right there?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Okay, eat up. It's a big day.
Yep.
45 minutes, then we're out of here.
So the final consensus? Is this not the nicest marina we've been to so far?
Mm-hmm.
By far.
Portside Ventura Harbor Marina is a new first-class marina that can accommodate 104 boats from 35 feet to 80 feet. The on-site dockmaster will welcome you with a smile before going over all the amazing amenities this marina has to offer. You can enjoy the on-site bocce ball or volleyball courts, or maybe play a round of tennis before a hot shower in the marina's locker room. The beautiful laundry center is so comfortable that it's a pleasure to kick back and relax while you do your laundry. Emma's favorite was to hang out in the pool each day, swimming and laughing, and then relaxing with a soak in the jacuzzi. Teal was impressed by the stone-tiled docks with adjustable cleats that have pump-out stations that reach every slip. Did I mention that the marina guests have access to a full gym with the view of the harbor? I'd like to say that I took full advantage of it, but I can't. From the first day to the last, we enjoyed our stay immensely. The friendly, helpful staff make you feel so welcome. Thank you to Nick and John for making our stay incredible. The Portside Ventura Harbor Marina's experience was definitely memorable.
Dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore.
Are you gonna miss Ventura, Emma?
Yeah. This was a really, really amazing area, and I will miss it. And I'm really excited to head to our next area. I'm so excited.
Just a lot of action going on here. Lots of cruise charter things. Heading over to the island. Wish we had more time here to just explore and have a little fun, but it's time to go.
While you're on the open sea, cannot take this anymore. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore.
The float plan for today is to leave Ventura at 8 a.m. and sail 34.7 nautical miles southeast to Paradise Cove. The weather was to start calm and build to 10 to 15 knots from the northwest by late afternoon. There's a thick marine layer, so the view is lacking color and honestly seemed quite boring. Well, that is until this happened.
Yes, copy. Sailing vessel basic.
Good morning, sir. Just trying to get your intentions today. We've got a missile launch taking place approximately 10:30.
Okay, our intention was to go to Paradise Cove tonight. How far offshore will I have to be to be in a safe zone?
Stand by one. Sailing vessel basic, U.S. Navy vessel. The range extends out approximately 10 miles, and the hazard pattern starts basically from about the power plant here down to around Point Magoo.
Okay, that was our destination. So if we go 10, we'll have to go 10 miles offshore then, starting here, correct?
Roger. Or if you stand by 1 minute, I'm trying to get updated shot time here.
Copy. SV basic standing by.
U.S. Navy vessel. The updated shot time is 10:45. So if you want, you could stand by until that time, until missile is launched, and I believe shortly thereafter you'll be able to pass through.
Okay, copy. We will just drop the sail and drift for 45 minutes or so.
Sailing vessel basic, U.S. Navy vessel. Roger that, and I'll keep you posted when you're clear to transit through.
Copy. Thank you very much. SV basic back to 16.
Well, that's interesting.
Okay, well,
Guess we're gonna hang out, huh?
yeah. Well,
Just gonna hang out.
Bob here for a while, I guess. They said they'd let us know what? Another half hour before we could get underway.
This is kind of interesting, though, right?
Yeah,
I mean, a missile launch? I've never even heard of that, where we'd be so close to it.
Well,
I mean, you know it happens.
We're not going to be that close, but they want to keep a 10-mile safety ring around it, I'm sure.
Well, so that means that we're within 10 miles
Hey,
of...
look, we have a little escort right here. He's keeping an eye on us.
Yeah, we're sketchy people. It's pretty cool, though. We've been listening to them. There's so much activity along here that they've been hailing everybody.
Yep. Kind of fun. So
it added some excitement to our very boring non-sail or motor sail. This is like such light winds.
I know. As soon as we get moving, we get apparent wind is 0.
It's like we create our own wind.
I know. Oh well. It's kind of fun though, just listening to his radio and all the banter that he's doing here. Wonder if he wants lunch.
They pushed it until 11:30 now. So you can either wait, hold station there, or you'd have to push out approximately to the south before you could transit through the area.
Copy that. We will hold station here.
Okay, Roger. Thanks for your patience. We'll give you an update if we hear anything else. Okay, just stand by just a minute. I'm going to check with the range and see if they might be able to get you through the hazard pattern here. Yeah, Roger, just checked with the range here. Looks like they're still requesting for you to hold station here until the shot time. They're saying shot is going to be at 11:30, and I'll let you know if I hear any updates.
Okay, copy that. We will hold station till your call. Standing by.
Okay, Roger, thank you.
So it looks like the missile launch has been bumped another hour. So we are just hanging out, drifting around. There's absolutely 0 wind, which is really weird. But it's not a bad place to hang out. Visibility is still not that great. But it's okay. It's kind of fun listening to the banter with the U.S. Navy and all the other recreational and commercial boats around here.
Security. This is Fleet Control. Fleet Control to all vessels in the vicinity of 3400 north, 11911 west. Due to live firing exercises, request all vessels maintain a 8 nautical mile radius from position 3400 north, 11911 west until 1400 local. For further information, contact Fleet Control on VHF channel 16 and 11. Out.
Got my eyes peeled for this missile.
Yeah, it's gonna come right out here, Teal. I mean, that's just not gonna happen.
Well, I know. I'm sure it's launched. It's land-based, I'm sure, but it's so foggy and smoky and hazy. We won't be able to.
It
see
is
anything.
really smoky, actually. I can smell it out here.
Yeah.
Which is really odd.
Our boring day just got more boring.
Actually, it's not bad. This is like excitement right now because you hear about the missile launches, but the fact that we're so close to it, it's pretty cool.
I hope that they don't just keep bumping the launch.
I know, I hope not either.
At one point, we're going to have to figure out plan B. Not much visibility, but we heard it take off. That wasn't too far away, was it?
I see the cloud of something.
I can't even get a focus on it. It's so hazy over there.
Yeah,
there it is. So that was definitely a missile launch.
I think they're done, Teal.
Well, hopefully it was just the one. Now
we wait for the go-ahead to get out of here.
Cool if we got a little closer to that thing.
I think that's the whole point of us stopping.
I know.
So they didn't want us close.
sailing vessel basic. Sailing vessel basic. U.S. Navy vessel hailing on channel 16. Over.
Copy. Sailing vessel basic.
Yeah, sailing vessel basic. You're cleared to transit through the area now.
We just got the go-ahead. Time to resume normal operations, they say.
All systems clear.
Let's go.
We are about 2 hours out from hitting our next anchorage. And since it's kind of an uneventful sail, well, we're motor sailing right now because there's like literally no wind. I'm going to be prepping for dinner. Tonight, we're going to have Chinese barbecue pork. I've been marinating this for 2.5 days, almost 3 days. So it's going to be nice and flavorful. This one is going to be easy meal, just because after a passage, kind of just going to chill out, relax, and have a low maintenance one. But it doesn't mean it's not yummy. Teal absolutely loves this with hot mustard. And funny, I don't like hot mustard. I think it's the horseradish thing. But
Crazy.
Obviously, we have to have hot mustard.
And just as predicted, the winds built to 10 to 15 out of the northwest, so we enjoyed a nice sail for the final 10 miles of today's leg.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
We are now safely tucked in, and look at these guys. They didn't even wait for me to sit down. They're already grubbing.
We're animals.
They are animals, but
Hurry up, this is the last of it.
no, there's 2 more pieces.
This is amazing.
You like it?
Hot mustard.
Gross.
Oh, I love it.
Emma,
Oh.
you approve? Mm-hmm. And you wonder why I don't want to eat any of that.
It's the best. Whoa.
I made it extra hot.
I love it. Oh my god. You better come sit down. It's going quick.
I gotta cut more for you guys.
I'll cut, you eat.
Okay.
I'll get it.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle. If you liked our video, please remember to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. These videos are made possible by the support of our patrons. Join the crew if you can. It was pretty cool actually to see a missile launch so close to us, but hopefully we won't be stopped by the US Navy anytime soon. Come back next week to see another interesting new video.
See you then!